Do you love the crunch of stones underfoot but are sick of the maintenance? Have you had enough of unstable pebble paths? Are loose stones making life hard? Lock them in place with PebbleLock. Made in Australia, these panels are 100% recycled and 100% recyclable. Installation is simple. Download our full installation guide from our website. Remove grass or existing fill and prepare the subbase. Compact well, then add a thin bedding layer. Install pavers, clipping together as you go. To cut or shape panels, use a handsaw or circular saw. Once installed, fill with pebbles of your choice and level, ensuring the pavers are covered. PebbleLock is ideal for paths, patios, or any area that you want a beautiful natural surface. Say goodbye to potholes and puddles. Enjoy the stability of PebbleLock. Permeable paving solutions for pebble paths, patios and driveways. Available from Bunnings stores nationwide.